首先咧，我亦都係介紹一下。我哋今日主要嚟講咧，就係梅窩鄉事委員會咧就所策劃一個叫做居民大會，前南約中學發展嘅一個匯報。咁咧就喺台上咧，我哋有我哋鄉事會嘅主席黃就福先生 MH。我哋副主席張志雄先生，我本人都係鄉事會嘅副主席曾文川。我哋鄉事會嘅執委兼大嶼山區議員黃福恩先生，梅窩學校校監袁志之先生。喺我旁邊咧就係我哋嘅即時傳譯員馬博士馬雪芬博士咁樣嚇。
Welcome everybody to come to this residents forum, even though the weather is raining. And today, the main reason why we're spending time here is to report on the latest development on the use of the secondary school in梅窩. And on the panel here, we have the chairperson and the deputy chair from the梅窩Rural Committee, and Mr. Raymond Wong, our district councillor, and also the executive director of the梅窩School, Mr. Yu.
我哋都喺呢個時候咧，就交俾我哋台上嘅其他嘅主持，可以講一講少少嘢，一路順序落去好嗎？由袁校監咧就講一講。
多謝各位。啱開場落雨，但係啲居民都陸續會跟住嚟㗎啦。亦都希望你哋能夠俾多啲意見。我講一講啦，梅窩學校喺1939年成立，至到現在咧已經70年㗎啦。喺家長同埋社區人士嘅支持之下，我哋學校曾經走過縮班同埋殺校嘅陰霾。學生人數咧就不斷咁持續穩定咁樣增加，非華語學生咧係佔本校嘅學生有1/4嘅，勢必成為呢個大嶼南教育一項嘅特色。明年咧更加推行呢個小班教學，每班係25人，學位更有供不應求嘅姿勢。為咗能夠提供呢個優質教育，實有拓闊空間嘅需要。2年前，我哋得悉呢個南區中學係有喺2007年9月停辦。我哋學校喺2006年12月15號曾經去信呢個教育局政策及研究支援小組，申請搬遷校舍到該校原址。喺2007年嘅9月，更係當面呈交呢個新界鄉議局南約區中學原址，作為管理學校嘅建議書，俾呢個鄉議局同埋教育局孫明陽先生。學校申請喺某一個程度，正反映梅窩居民同埋地區教育嘅訴求，可惜一直未能夠得到正面嘅書面回覆。豈料喺數月前，申請該校舍辦學嘅一事，令到滿城風雨。至今，本校至辦學團體，上至校長，下至教職員、家長，就呢個正新事件，我可以係持開放嘅態度，係冇意見嘅，亦不存在歧視。呢啲係政府嘅決定，只要政府能夠妥善處理，便可以。即使正新一事足見正新，政府嘅決策係一塌糊塗，諮詢程度倉促混亂，疏導工作嚴重不足，令梅窩居民一下子無法 消化教育嘅夢想，令到佢哋好失望，民怨沸騰。正新呢班浪子一次又一次喺公眾壓力底下受到傷害，作為扎根梅窩嘅辦學團體，眼見兩群政府失責嘅受害者，我哋實在係痛心疾首。我校非常欣賞政府能夠高姿態同埋肯定正新嘅辦學方向，但我唔不解政府為什麼不能夠一樣嘅姿態，能夠正視我哋梅窩人嘅教育訴求。希望懇請大家能夠俾多啲意見。我哋梅窩係希望接受我哋能夠園區遷徙嘅申請，改善教學嘅環境同埋設備，關注南大嶼中學嘅發展同埋需要，希望能夠重開南區中學，俾我哋地方嘅子弟延續學業。多謝各位。
We've just heard from Mr. Yuen, the director of the Mui Wo School. He says that the school has been serving the community for 70 years, and we have faced the threat for reducing classes and to be killed by the Education Bureau. But we have recently experienced a very quick increase in student populations, and 1/4 of the population comes from the expatriate community. That has become a very good characteristic for our local community. And we now, this coming academic year, will be running with small classes of 25 students with a long waiting list of students who cannot enter the school. So for the reason of keeping up with the good quality education provision, we have expressed to the government the need to expand our school. And way back in 2006 in December, we have sent a letter to the Education Bureau then for relocation of the school to the secondary school, and it was followed by a proposal at a later date. But to date, we have not heard any official reply. And we could not understand why, when the government can support the meaningful cause of Cheng Seng College, then we have to be scapegoated for not having our own needs met. We feel that the government has been messy and hasty in drafting a workable policy for helping Cheng Seng and young people in Hong Kong for drug rehabilitation, while sacrificing our needs at the same time. Their consultation is hasty, messy, and lack of order. Due process has been violated, and that's why the residents of Mui Wo are so disappointed. Not just us being heard in this case, but also the students from Cheng Seng College. Both of us, Cheng Seng students and Mui Wo residents, are victims of government's mishandling. And we want to let everybody know that we support Cheng Seng's cause, while we also fight for our basic entitlement to good secondary education provision and the relocation of our primary school to the vicinity. Thank you.